In this video, I will show you how you can create in 8 minutes a cut and cover concepts generation. So we do it step by step. First, we will import our geometry. You've got two options, or you create alignments by yourself, or you're going to import alignments from MX Road or Open Road Designer or another product. So we're going to import first a terrain model, and also import it from the geocoordination surface if you want. So, but here you see you've got the terrain model, it's draping directly the imagery. So now we're going to do the second one, is importing the alignments. So we will enter the name. It's going to create also the terrain for the slopes. So that's why we enter a different name here. So we say done, it's finished. So it's attaching already a template to your alignments. So you can change it. So when you click on it, you see the profile and also the crossing features. You can change the profile if you want and affect directly the 3D model. So let's create a tunnel here. So we can choose from different shapes. So we choose a rectangular shape. You see also in the profile where it's going to be located. You can rotate the 3D model. So now you see really clearly the box, including the sidewalk, including a fence as well. So let's change the template for the crossing road. So let's choose with a barrier or a median in between. All the templates are inside. You can also adjust your templates. You can build your own templates quite easily. Let's change the speed. So now we have got this road. You can also change the pavement markings. So you've got, when you click on the object, you get all kind of details which you can change. So let's change it into 80 kilometers or 60 kilometers. So you can also go directly into the visualization. So that means it's opening the 3D model in the render engine, including the cut for the terrain. You can adjust the sun to the location where you are located. You can play with the sun, include the night scene. So the lights are turning on now. You can place cars. So let me go back to turn on the daylight again. So let's pick some cars. You can place one car or you can place multiple cars in one instance. So you have to define the lanes. So here you've got on the left side some settings like the density of the cars. So I have to pick here not 4 lanes, but I need to select 1 lane actually. So I can one more time. Pick the points on the surface. So just a few points, it will adjust itself to the surface. So this is 1. So let's do the other one as well. Just one example. So you pick, you say in this case 2. The density is more. So we just pick the points in the middle of the markings. So it's going to divide this in 2 lanes. You press play, it's going to populate all the cars. Because it's a render engine, you don't have to render separately. it's on the fly. So when you want to make a visualization now, it's a matter of making a photo. So we can go back to the visualization or to the concept part. So when the concept is changing, your visualization is also changing. So let's place some furniture. So you've got different libraries here. So we're going to choose street lights. So let's go to the street lights. So you've got different libraries there. You can pick one, including also the light bulbs. So you have to follow the geometry which you want, like in this case the middle of our median. So let's say this is it. You can change the spacing between, so let's make it 40 meters between the street lights. You can rotate it, place a center snap, say a rotation point. Now you can go back to the visualize part, and the 3D model is going to be updated, so including street lights and all the adjustments which you're doing. You can also place vegetation like trees and plants, and so it's automatically finding them when you snap it to the surface. It's going to place it automatically. You can make also areas. You can do it manual or entire areas with vegetation or flowers, also including people or animals. And you can adjust the sun. So now you should see also the street lights which are turning on for the main road. So everything is there. So this is a really powerful one. It's included through specifications from the manufacturer. You can also change them if you want or replace them by others. And so you've got a really quick model which takes you normally with a quite long to model. Now with Concept Station you can create concept generation really quickly, but also the costs. So when you go back to conceptualize, let me change this back to existing. I don't want to include them in the cost, just a tunnel. So you can press on the finance icon, and it's going to calculate the quantities and includes a unit cost. So now we've got an indication what this concept of this new tunnel is going to cost. So I hope this is helpful. The next one will be a detailed design with OpenRoads Designer.